Hey guys, welcome to the video, and today I got my first squishy pack from banggood, and packaging is coming out. I don't know why, but you guys can't see that, but it is. So, and this is just one squishy, and this is from banggood. This is my first squishy package from banggood, but you guys know I have other squishies, and I have two on the way, so yeah, looking forward to that. And I'm just gonna close this so that it looks like it's new. And it is new. Gosh, look at what this is. I feel like this is a scam. I've never had a scam squishy package, so you know what? There we go. I could just do that. I could just do that. And all you could do is just do that. So, okay, that's okay. But this is by Squishy Fun. It says right there. Oh wait, Squishy Fun. And it's the carrot Squishy Fun squishy, so I'm gonna squish it. I've never seen this anywhere on YouTube. Oh my gosh, that's so rising. Like, this is my first squishy package in its actual packaging, so it's refillable, so I'm gonna take it out. But oh my gosh, it's so soft, but it's sticky to the package. Okay, I got it out. Do you guys know? It smells like corn, like butter popcorn. Or do you know like that air freshener for Breeze? That's what this smells like. It smells really good though. I'm gonna squish it. This is so squishy. Do you guys know, like, this is so squishy though. It squished the stem. And the next package is gonna have a corn in it, and it's gonna be the burnt corn. And then the next one's gonna be, the one after that is gonna be the bread where you can put pens in it and stuff. And oh, and by the way, when it was, I just opened it before, but then that was like it, and the next one's gonna have the bread in it and an apple. So really excited. So I'll see you in the next video.